Guys, the honest truth about remote work from home jobs or any job at all is that getting into one is very difficult. And the worst is the remote work from home jobs, because you're not competing with limited number of people, you're competing with people from different places, and that makes it even more competitive. And in most cases, people that are seeking to find these jobs are not really equipped or positioned in a manner such that they stand a chance of getting these jobs fast. And the easiest way for you to do that is to get certified. That way, even if you have the skill, you can have an evidence to back up your claim. And you guys know me, I'll always do the research for you, so you don't have to waste your time doing that. So in this video, I have gathered 8 certification courses that can position you in a manner such that you can find high-paying remote jobs. And the good thing about these certifications is that all you need to do is just make yourself available to finish the course, and you're going to be certified, so you can stand a better chance of getting the job. So that being said, the first certificate course we're going to talk about is project management, and it's exactly as the name sounds. All you have to do is just to manage projects for companies, and you can do this online or offline. And if you're interested in acquiring this skill, you can go to websites like cello.org. They have project management course that you can take that lasts for 62 hours, but you have to understand that before you be able to get certified taking this course, you must score 70% and above in the test you're going to be taking after taking the course. And once you have done that, you can be certified after the test. On the average, a project manager earns around $60 to $140 per year. So you see, it's high paying, and if you're interested, you might want to check that out. So the second certification you may want to consider is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are people that help individuals, businesses with clerical or office related tasks. Now, people hire these people to help them organize their work life so that they make their lives easy. And the good thing is you can stay anywhere you are around the world and work for anybody from anywhere around the world. And all you need to do is just get the certificate and the training. And to do that, you can take this course on Virtual Assistant Academy. They have a 2-hour course on Introduction to Virtual Assistants, and on there you can also see other courses on virtual assistants that you can take. And since it's just 2 hours, you can keep taking as many courses as possible, but make sure to finish this course so you can be able to get your certification. On the average, a virtual assistant can earn from $45,000 to $51,000 every year. So you might want to check that out if you're interested in virtual assistant. Now, the third certification we're going to talk about is data analyst. Now, people that work as data analysts are very much needed because companies need to make decisions from the data that they generate from running their businesses. And the only way to make a good decision is by looking at the data to know if they're making profits or if they're losing. And that is why these people are very much in demand. And if you're interested in acquiring this skill, you can go to cognitive class and take their data science fundamental course. Now, for you to receive your certification, of course, you have to finish this course. So if you're not taking the course, or if you're not finishing this course, you'll not be able to earn the badges and certifications that come from it. And on the average, a data analyst earn around $50 to $130 per year. So you might want to check that out if you're interested in data analysis. Now, the first certification you might want to check out is technical writing. Now, when you go to websites or on products, you can see some write-ups that help you navigate the website or whatever you're using so that you know how to use it and what to do and how to do it. Now, the people that put out those writings are called technical writers, and they are so much in demand regardless of the presence of AI right now. So that's to show you that these people are very much needed, and they have lots of tools to help them do the job. So if you're interested in doing this type of writing, you can acquire this certification for free on cello.org. And just like project management, you have to be able to finish the course and score above 70% in the test that you're going to be receiving before you can be able to receive your certification. And this course will take you around 86 hours to complete. So on the average, a technical writer can earn around $30,000 to $100,000 per year doing this job. So you see, it's quite lucrative. You might want to check it out, and if you're interested, just go to cello.org and get started. Now, before we continue, please, if you've seen value so far, don't fail to like, subscribe to our channel. We are currently on the road to 5,000 subscribers. We are very grateful to all of you for your support. And I also want to share with you that we have our membership live that you might want to join. You can just use the link in the description box, and you're going to be receiving amazing perks from us, including reviewing your CV. So if it's something you would like to do well to join our membership. So the next one we'll talk about is digital marketing. Now, when you see adverts on your social media platforms, those are the works of digital marketers. And digital marketing is so broad that it has different fields that you can specialize on, and we're going to be talking about the specialty later on. So but for now, you can take this course on HubSpot. They have free certification course on digital marketing that you can take. That course lasts approximately 7 hours, and afterwards, once you have completed this course and taken the test that comes with it, you can be certified as a digital marketer. So on the average, digital marketers make around $40 to $110 per year, depending on your level and your work environment. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check out HubSpot and take this course, and you can get started from there. Now, still on digital marketing, the next one is SEO specialization. Now, this is a specialty from digital marketing. What these people do is just to make sure that there is content optimization and there is backlinks and keywords optimizations in the content that digital marketers put out there for businesses and for people, so that they'll be able to target the right audience they want, or they'll be able to target the type of people they want to patronize their service or their product. So this is very, very important, because if you're running ads and you're not targeting the right people, you will not be able to see the return on the investment you're putting in. So these people are very much high in demand. So on the average, they make around $34,000 to $100,000 per year. And if you're interested in taking this course, and you can go to HubSpot and take the certification course on SEO specialization. And once you have done that, that course is going to last for approximately 4 hours from start to finish. You can use that to get started, and once you're done, you're going to receive your certification from HubSpot, so you might want to check it out. So the last one we're going to talk about is cybersecurity. Now, if you know about cybersecurity, with the influence of AI tools and everything, there is high need for them to be able to prevent threats and scams and stuff like that that may be targeting individuals or businesses. So that is why the service of cybersecurity is very, very important and is very needed. On the average, cybersecurity experts make like $57,000 to $60,000 per year. And if you want to acquire this skill, you can go to Cisco and take the cybersecurity essentials that they offer there on Cisco. So, but you have to bear in mind that the course on Cisco is just to get you started, and if you want to know in depth about cybersecurity, you may have to pay for it to be able to acquire such skill and the certification as well. So you have to know if it's something you can do before you sign up to Cisco. So you might want to check these websites out. Now, I want to mention here that the salary amounts that I mentioned here is not static. It depends on your location, it depends on the company you're working with, and it depends on your skill or your level. So you have that in mind. You can earn more or less depending on all these factors that I just mentioned. So you have that in mind as well, and as you're targeting which one you may want to go up for, you can check all these websites that I mentioned to know the one that fits you best. And of course, before you get these remote jobs, you have to position yourself well. And if you're looking for ways to find remote jobs using ATS, you might want to check out this video, or you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to get the jobs that you are interested in, to go to check out this video. Please don't fail to like, subscribe, and join our membership. Really appreciate you all for your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.